start by printing out a design on a laser jet printer. The laser printer ink is important for transferring the image. Make sure the graphic is printed backwards so it transfers properly. Next, grab a wooden item and place your graphic ink side down on it and transfer the graphic using a heated up wood burner tool with a flat head attachment. Peel it away and your graphic will be transferred. Then, change your attachment and trace the lines. There are so many possibilities. You can try this technique on any wood surface, perfect for gifts or to personalize in your own home. Grab some wood utensils and freehand and trace over with your wood burner tool. Different heads will allow you to make patterns, shapes, and different looks. This would be such a fun gift or to use in your own kitchen. This process works great on cutting boards as well. Transfer a graphic onto the center of a cutting board. Change the head and fill it in. Using different shaped heads, create a design. Make personalized coasters too. Transfer the graphic or freehand trace. And that's it. To set up your tool, pull it out of the package and choose from the variety of heads. Twist the chosen head on, set it on the holder that comes with it, and choose your heat level. Once it's hot, you can use a set of pliers to switch the heads. Want to make one of these projects? Here's what you'll need: a wood burner tool, a graphic, a pencil, and any wood surface. I hope this inspires you to totally personalize your gifts this holiday season. Thanks for watching Home Talk. See you in our next video.